See my rose petals? See two sides? So I've got a quick question for you. If someone were to tell you, here's a serum with this amount of rose petals in it and another serum with this little lonely rose petal in it, which one would you pick? Yes, I'm sure that you've all picked this side. Well, thanks to modern technology, we are now able to extract the plant stem cells. So from this little petal, we can get a great amount of active ingredient, and I want to show you the difference. See how much thicker this one is? This one is the rose stem cell. This one is the simple extraction of roses that took this many roses. Now, why do we want that? Why do I love plant stem cell technology? Well, on top of the fact that it's giving us a very concentrated active ingredient, but no farmland is required, there is a greater and definite better biodiversity for this. It helps to use less water, less energy, and it is fully traceable. That means from beginning to end, you know where your flower has been, where your extract has been, what it's gone through to get to you, to your smooth, beautiful face. Over here, I have this one is really a popular one, especially in France. This one is with Edelweiss stem cell. This one is about 4 or 5 years old, but it is absolutely wonderful because we have so many studies that show that is able to help sculpt the jowl, help to firm the neck area, and also the décolleté, which we should never forget. But an excellent one. If you know anything about Edelweiss, Edelweiss is a very tiny flower that grows in the mountains of Switzerland, and the beauty of this is that it is able to withstand so many different climate temperatures. And over here we have the neck firming cream that is based on Edelweiss. This one will help to smooth not only your neck but also the jowl, and don't forget the décolleté. If you are familiar with Edelweiss, this is a little flower that manages to grow around Switzerland and countries where they have so many mountains, and it survives. It survives the temperature changes, it survives in the cold, it survives during the summer months, it withstands the heat and the sun. What we do is we take a little stem from this flower. They break it apart, reproduce what is called the callus. The callus is the self-defense system that a flower will have when it goes through any kind of aggression. Reproduce that callus 1,000, 2,000 times, make it into a super concentrated extract, and it helps your neck. And that's what you need to know, because not only are you treating your neck, but you're also saving the environment. This one happens to be our bestseller. It's a 10 years younger in 30 days treatment. I developed it about 3 or 4 years ago, and every one of these steps has a form of stem cell technology. The first one is with lingonberry stem cell. It sort of protects the skin against UV radiation and also stops dark spots. The second one is radiant skin, and so this one has a little flower that grows all over the place, and however, what it does, it protects against environmental aggression. And step 3, this one is for nighttime. And of course, we have a citrus, an orange stem cell in here, along with some peptides, which are very important. And this is our rose stem cell extract, which is a detox. And so you see, everything I do, I definitely try to put stem cell in there, because I will still stay in the natural while we know